theorems based on groups. Now in this video, let us discuss few sums based on groups. First of all, be thorough with the definitions which I have taught in my earlier videos. So now let us discuss sums. If R be the set of all real numbers. So here R is the set of all real numbers, but except 0. So now define star on R. Define star on R by what is given here? A star B, which is equals to mod A into B. Now is R comma star a group? You have to find whether it is a group or not. So justify your answer. So here given star is the operation which is defined on R. So what is given in the question? Star is the operation which is defined on R such that A star B equals to mod A into B for all A comma B belongs to R. Now where, as we discussed, where R is the set of all real numbers. So where R is the set of all real numbers except 0. So what we have discussed in the earlier videos, group should be closed under binary operation star. So let us discuss about closure property. So closure for A comma B which belongs to R, that implies A star B equals to mod A into B. A star B equals to mod A into B which belongs to R. Therefore we can say that R comma star is closed under this operation star. So next, as group contains some properties, first, so associativity for A comma B comma C which belongs to R, A star B equals A star B into C which is equals to, what is A star B here? Mod A into B into C, okay, which is equals to, now here applying mod on the whole, mod of mod A into B into C which is equals to mod A into B, mod AB into C. So A star B into C equals to mod AB into C. Now A into B star C which is equals to A into, so here we are taking mod B into C. So now which is equals to mod A into mod B into C. So to make it associative property equal, what we are doing here? We are taking here mod A into mod B into C which is equals to mod A into mod B. Here we are taking mod A into B, whole mod we are taking mod A into B into C. A into B into C equals to mod AB into C. Therefore A into B into C equals to A into B into C. So both are equal. So here we got A into B into C equals to mod AB into C which is equals to, here also we got A into B into C equals to mod AB into C. So both are equal here. Therefore this binary operation star is associative. If both are A into B into C which is equals to A into B into C, if both values are equal means we can say that the binary operation is associative. Now next, coming to identity. If it is associative, next what we have to check out? Identity. For A belongs to R. So here for A belongs to R, what is the property of identity? A into E equals to E. A into E equals to A. So since here E is the identity element, what is E here? E is the identity element. That implies mod A into E which is equals to A here. So here we are assuming if A greater than 0, then mod A equals to A. If A greater than 0 means mod A should be equals to A. That implies mod A into E equals to A. So that implies mod A means what we are taking here? Mod A equals to A into E equals to A as it is. So here both A's are cancelled. That implies what is remaining here? E equals to 1. Now if A less than 0, now here we are taking A less than 0, then mod A should be, then mod A equals to minus A. If A less than 0, then mod A equals to minus A. That implies mod A, we are taking this mod A into E equals to A. So what is mod A here? Mod A means minus A. That implies minus A into E which is equals to A as it is. Now here both a's are cancelled. So e equals to, what is remaining here, minus 1. But identity here, e equals to what? What is the value of e? E equals to minus 1. But identity element e always has unique value in a group. But here e values are differing. Here plus 1, here minus 1. But it should have only unique value. So therefore r comma star is not a group. This is the solution. As it is not a group, no need to satisfy the inverse property. Next one. If star defined on cube plus by a star b equals to, what is given here, ab by 2, then show that cube plus comma star is a group. So what is given here? Star is the operation defined on a cube plus, such that what is given here? What is given in the question? A star b equals to ab by 2 for all a comma b which belongs to q plus. Now what is q plus here? Where q plus is the set of all positive rational numbers. So this q plus is the set of all positive rational numbers. So closure property for a comma b which belongs to q plus. So here ab by 2, a comma b belongs to q plus. So ab by 2 will belong, ab by 2 also belongs to q plus. That implies a into b equals to, what is a into b here? ab by 2 which belongs to q plus. Now associativity for a comma b comma c belongs to q plus. A into b into c equals to, what is a into b here? ab by 2 into c which is equals to ab by 2. Now we have to make it as c by 2 which is equals to ABC 2 into 2 by 4, ABC by 4. Now A into B into C which is equals to A into BC by 2. What we are taking here, BC by 2 equals to, now we have to make this as A by 2 into BC by 2. So A into B into C, ABC by 2 into 2, how much? 4. ABC by 4. So this both are equal. Therefore A into B into C equals to A into B into C. Both are equal. So it is an associative property. Now identity property for A belongs to Q plus A into E equals to A. So that implies A by 2 which is equals to A. A equals to, now this 2 goes this side. So it becomes 2 into A. So that implies this both A's are cancelled. So this both A's are cancelled here. So E equals to how much? 2. E equals to 2 which belongs to Q plus. That implies E into A equals to, now we are taking here EA by 2 which is equals to, what is E here? 2. In the place of E, what we are substituting here? 2. 2A by 2. So both 2's are cancelled. E into A equals to A. So here that implies A into E which is equals to E into A which is equals to A. So both values are A here. Therefore for all A belongs to Q plus E equals to 2. So for all A belongs to Q plus E equals to 2. E is an identity element. So here E is the identity element in Q plus. So here identity property is satisfied. Now let us move to inverse property. For A belongs to Q plus A into, what is inverse property? A into A dash which is equals to E. That implies here A into A dash. What is E here? E equals to, since E equals to 2. So in the place of E, what we are substituting here? 2. So A into A dash which is equals to 2. So that implies A into A dash by 2 which is equals to, now we are taking A into A dash by 2 equals to 2. That implies A into A dash, here 2 into 2, 4. So A into A dash equals to 4. So now A dash equals to, we are taking this 4 this side. So 4 by A which belongs to Q plus. Now similarly A dash into A equals to, so A dash into A by 2, we are taking here A dash into A by 2 which is equals to, what is A dash, what is A dash here? 4 by A. What is A dash here? 4. So what is A dash here? 4 by A into A by 2 which is equals to 2 is 4. Both A's are cancelled. So what is remaining here? 2. 2 means here E equals to 2. So in the place of 2 what we are writing here? E. So that implies A into A dash equals to A dash into A. Both are same which is equals to E. Therefore A belongs to Q plus. There is an element A dash. What is the element here? A dash is the element. A dash equals to 4 by A which belongs to Q plus, such that A dash equals to 4 by A is the inverse of A. So here A dash is the inverse of A. Therefore it is satisfying all the 4 properties. So therefore it is a Q plus comma star is a group. Next sum, find the inverse of A. What is the matrix given here? A equals to 2, 6, 3, 5 in the general linear group. What is the general linear group here? GL of 2 comma Z11. So given, what is the matrix given here? A equals to 2, 6, 3, 5. So here general linear group can be represented as GL of 2 comma Z11, which is equals to A B matrix here. Matrix A B C D such that A comma B comma C comma D, which belongs to Z, this belongs to Z11, and AD minus BC is not equivalent to 0 into mod 11. So this is the general linear group here. Now inverse of matrix A given by A inverse equals to 1 by determinant of A, that A into adjoint A. So here 1 by determinant of A means 1 by AD minus BC into adjoint A. So what is the matrix here? D minus B minus C A. So that A equals to AD minus BC. That A means AD minus BC, which is equals to, what is A here? This is a matrix. So A means 2, B equals to 6, C 3, C equals to 3, D equals to 5. So here A equals to 2 into, what is D? 5. 2 into 5 minus, as it is. What is B here? 6 into C. What is C? 3. So as it is given here mod level, we are taking here 2 into 5 minus 6 into 3 into mod level, which is equals to 2 5s are 10 minus 3 6 are 18. 10 minus 18, so minus 8 into mod level. So here since minus 8 equals to, what is given here? Mod level. Minus 8 equals to minus 8 plus 11 means how much we will get here? Minus 8 plus 11 means 3 in Z level. So here 3 mod, which is equals to 3 mod 11. Now 1 by det A is the multiplicative inverse of determinant A. As this is the multiplicative inverse of determinant A, so 1 by determinant A equals to multiplicative inverse of 3 mod 11. So this is the multiplicative inverse of this 3 mod 11. That implies 1 by det A equals to, this here 3 into 4. How much? 12. 12 equals to 1 mod 11. So that implies 1 by determinant A, that A equals to 4 mod 11. So now consider adjoint A equals to D minus B minus C A. Now we have to write the given matrix in the form of adjoint A. So here we have to substitute these values. D means 5 minus 6 minus 3, 2 into mod 11. Now 5 as it is, here minus 6 is given. So to make it positive value, since minus 6 equals to minus 6 plus 11, which is equals to 5 mod 11. So here 5. Now minus 3 equals to minus 3 plus 11, which is equals to 8. 8 here 2 as it is into mod 11. So that implies A inverse equals to, now A inverse equals to, so we got determinant value, we got adjoint value, we got. Now we have to substitute both values in this inverse A. That implies inverse A equals to 4 into, how much determinant value? 4. 4 into, what is adjoint A? 5, 5, 8, 2 into mod 11. So now we have to multiply this matrix with 4. 4 5s are 20 here. 4 5s are 20, 4 8s are 32 and 4 2s are 8 into mod 11. Now we have to divide each value with level. So what is given here? 20. Divide 20 with level. So what is the remainder? 9 here. So again 20 with level 9. 32 with level. How much? So the level to the 22. What will be the remainder here? 10. Next, as 8 is smaller than level, so 8 should be as it is. Therefore A inverse equals to matrix of 9, 9, 10, 8. This is the solution. Let S be the set of all real numbers. Let S be the set of all real numbers except minus 1. Find star on S by A into B equals to A plus B plus AB. Show that S comma star is an abelian group. Given S is the set of all real numbers except minus 1. Now star is the operation defined on S. So here star is already given in the question. star is the operation defined on S such that A star B equals to A plus B plus AB for all A comma B which belongs to S. Let A comma B comma C which belongs to S where A not equals to B not equals to C not equals to minus 1. Now a set is said to be an abelian group. So when do we say that a set is an abelian group? If it satisfies the following conditions. First, closure. For A comma B belongs to S. So A star B equals to A plus B plus AB belongs to S. Therefore, S comma star is closed under star. Now associativity. For A comma B comma C belongs to S. Now A star B into C which is equals to, since here A star B equals to how much? A plus B plus AB into C. So here A plus B plus AB, what we are taking here for A comma B comma C. So plus C plus A plus, we are taking now this A plus B plus AB into C. Now which is equals to A plus B plus AB plus C as it is plus A into C, AC plus B into C, BC plus AB into C, ABC. So A into B into C equals to A plus B plus C plus AB. Now we are taking here AB plus BC plus AC plus ABC. Similarly, A into B into C equals to A into B plus B into C here, B plus C plus BC. So here A plus B plus C plus BC plus A into, now A into B plus C plus BC. So which is equals to A plus B plus C plus BC plus A into B, AB plus A into C, AC plus A into BC, ABC. So A into B into C equals to A plus B plus C plus BC plus AB plus AC plus AB. So now this both are equal. A into B into C equals to A into B into C. Therefore star is associative. Next, identity. For A belongs to S, A into E equals to A. Now A plus, that implies A plus E plus AE. A first A plus E plus AE which is equals to A. This we are considering as equation 1. So that implies now we are taking this A this side. So A minus A 0. So now what is remaining here? E plus AE which is equals to 0. Now E we are taking common here. E into 1 plus A which is equals to 0. That implies here how much? E equals to, now this 1 by A we are taking this side. So 0 by anything 0 only. E equals to 0 since A not equals to minus 1. Since here A not equals to minus 1. Similarly, E into A which is equals to E plus A plus EA. So what is E here? How much is, since E equals to 0. So 0 plus A plus 0 into A. So how much here? Which is equals to A. So that implies A into E equals to E into A equals to A. So both values are equal. So both values are equal. Therefore, for all A belongs to S, E equals to 0. For all A belongs to S, how much? E equals to 0, which is an identity element. So this E equals to 0 is an identity element for star. Next, inverse. For A belongs to S, A into A dash equals to E. So that implies A into A dash. What is E here? E equals to, since E equals to 0. Since E equals to 0. So in the place of E, what we are substituting here? 0. That implies A plus A dash. Now A plus A dash plus A into A dash equals to 0. Now here we are taking A dash common. So now A dash into 1 plus A as it is equals to 0. So A dash into 1 plus A equals to, this A goes this side, so becomes minus A. So which is equals to 0 minus A means minus A. That implies A dash equals to minus A. Now this 1 plus A comes this side and becomes division. Minus A by 1 plus A, where A not equals to minus 1. Similarly, A dash into A equals to A dash plus A plus A dash into A. So here what is A dash here? What is the value of A dash? Minus A by 1 plus A. Plus A as it is plus minus A by 1 plus A. Here we are substituting A dash value. Minus A by 1 plus A into A as it is. Now which is equals to minus A by 1 plus A. Here we are taking minus A by 1 plus A common. So minus A by 1 plus A into 1 plus A. Now plus A as it is, plus A, which is equals to minus A. Now this 1 plus A, 1 plus A, both 1 plus A are cancelled. So what is remaining here? Minus A plus A equals to how much? Minus A plus A means 0. Which 0 means here? Since 0 equals to E, which is equals to E. So that implies A into A dash equals to A dash into A equals to E. So for all A belongs to S, there is an element. What is the element here? A dash. A dash equals to minus A by 1 plus A, which belongs to S such that A dash is the inverse of A. So this A dash is the inverse of A. Now commutativity, A star B. What is A star B? A plus B plus AB already given, which is equals to B plus A plus AB. This is B star A. So A star B equals to B star A means commutativity property is satisfied. So all the properties are satisfied. Therefore, S comma star is an abelian group.